Exactly as in a dream, we take the most astonishing things in life for granted. It is obvious that seeing a thing whole is a first condition of seeing its parts in proportion. Do anything so that you intend to do it, but don't allow your mind to be done. It is notorious that sentimentalists do not feel intensely the situations immediately present. It is jam yesterday, jam tomorrow, but never jam today with them. The advantage from trying to recall the day exactly is inestimable. Memory, will, concentration, and the power of sustained attention are all brought into play.